Okay, we're going to be doing now problem 18, and I'm just going to try to guess because I don't want to do anything. I just want to guess. It's saying that a fraction is equivalent to 2/3, the original fraction. And it says that if 5 is added to the numerator, so like for example, 2 plus 3 is 5, the fraction is going to be equivalent now to 5/6. So what I did is I went to each of the fractions, and I noticed that many of them, I think when you simplify them, they're 2/3. So they're kind of tricky because when you simplified, for example, 28 over 42, 20 over 30, 18 over 27, 16 over 24. Let me see when you simplify then. Let me see what you get. You know what? Let me do each one of them. I don't want you to do this when you're taking a test, but let's play with each one of them. 54 or 72. If I look at these two numbers, I think they can be simplified using 9. So 54 divided by 9, I believe that is a 6. And 72 divided by 9, it would be an 8. So if you divide both, it's going to be 3/4, right? 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that means that letter F cannot be because it says that the original fraction was equivalent to 2/3. Then I have here 28 over 42. And I say, you know what? I think I can use a 7. 7 divided by 7. 28 by 7 is 4. 42 by 7 is 6. And 4/6 is the same thing as 2/3. Oh, I have a fraction here that is equivalent to 2/3. But the question is, if I take 28 and add a 5 over 42, will that give me something that is equivalent to 5/6? 28 plus 5 I think is 33. 42, that's not the same thing as 5/6. But then I continue working. Then I say 20 over 30. Oh, that's easy. Just cancel the 0 and you have 2/3. So 20 over 30 is equivalent to 2/3, like it says here. But now I'm going to take the 20. I'm going to add a 5, and I'm going to keep the 30, and I have now 25 over 30, and guess what? 25 over 30 is the same thing as 5/6. So if you look at all the fractions here, the only fraction that is equivalent to 2/3, but when you add 5 to the denominator is equivalent to 5/6 is letter H. Letter H, 20 over 30.